Hello guys, I'm here with my friend Raresh and today we're gonna do a challenge. We're going to land all the Airbus planes.
Yes.
First on A318. That's a Tarom, the one
We'll film triple ports with Tarom and Wizz Air. We'll film unboxings.
yes. You see the cockpit is very nice.
And Herpa. I don't know who is better.
Yes,
Yes. Herpa is cheaper, so yes.
Write in the comments so we will know which is better. Alright,
Subscribe if you want more Infinity Fly videos.
and if you want us to make a giveaway.
Yes. We'll start only with the short final, not to lose time.
This is so cute plane, it's so little.
From the short final.
Alright, so let's do it. Whoa. It didn't start as we wanted because, yeah, but that's okay. Let's try landing it. We're gonna do another challenge.
Oh no, what a good landing!
Alright, let's change the camera because it's better to land from this camera.
Yes.
Let's try again because it was a failure, I think, huh? Yes. Short final.
Oh my god.
We're
It's so
gonna
hard to land these small airplanes because they are so fast.
So
Uncontrollable and so fast.
You can't
Yeah.
just get them. Right, let's try make it gently.
Oh my
Alright.
god, so...
We entered the stall last minute.
Oh, what landing.
We don't know how it got. So let's just try figure it out. We're going to show you all the details, but let's see how we land. You see it has so nice reverse thrusters. Let's just see how do we land it. Oh nice. Let's see. Alright. It wasn't so bad
Pretty
landing.
good landing.
It wasn't a bad landing. Alright, you saw us.
Our pilot Edwin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, we did the first landing with the Airbus
We'll make
A318.
videos also with explain.
Yes.
If you like it, we'll...
Just subscribe and get a thumbs up at this video, and we're going to be sure that we make another videos. Alright, next A319.
From Air Berlin.
Alright, let's set up all the
Flew with Air Berlin, and it's a pretty good
company.
company.
Alright, all the Airbus
Final.
all the Airbus planes have the approach mode, but in this clip we don't want to use it because we want to land manually. It's more interesting.
I'm much better at manual landings. He's much better at autopilot landings. So,
Alright, let's get up the gear. Alright.
oh,
I think we landed on 3 gears. I don't know, but it's okay. We landed. Alright.
let's see how the landing.
Let's see if the airplane was affected about something. No.
No.
Let's watch it just by this. Right.
Okay.
The landing wasn't so spectacular, but it was like a routine.
It was a good, yes.
It was a routine landing.
Or wait. Pretty
Very
good
smooth.
landing.
Very smooth.
Yes.
Yep. Even on 3 wheels, it was a smooth landing. Now, my friend will land. Raresh will land the
A320
from Aeroflot.
Oh my god.
Just press that fly button and try land it out.
Oh my
We're
god.
gonna make. I landed 2. He landed 2. I will land another 2. He will land another.
Calibrate. Okay. Like this.
And let's go on the short final.
Short final.
Right. Try to land it smooth.
Trying, but I'm not so good with the small Airbus planes.
Alright, so say in the comments who land the planes better, Edwin or Raresh, so we could know who won. It's not basically a competition, it's a challenge. Right, what a smooth landing. Nice! Whoa! That was a smooth landing. What a smooth landing. Let's watch the replays. After the plane completely stops, we're going to watch the replays. And we're going to be sure.
Let's see how I landed. It's an Aeroflot. Like this, we'll see how I landed it.
Alright. Came so slowly and so good.
Oh my god, what a smooth landing.
Definitely a smooth landing. Oh, nice.
Yep.
Nice
Good
move.
landing.
Alright. You're going to land the next one.
plane.
And after that I'm going to land. The next plane is
The A321. Oh my god. This is
21.
the horrible. This is a horrible plane. I don't know how to land it.
You know how to land it, but you can't. It's a pretty. It's not so good plane. It's the nearest from the smaller Airbus. It's the most.
Final.
Is the bigger airplane.
Ow! No. Oh no! What a fail! What a fail!
Try it again, man. Try
it again. I'll try it again. No, not there, not there, not there. Oh my god, so hard. Throttle 0.
I think you've touched down.
It's okay.
It was a nice landing.
Random landing.
Random landing.
I had an experience with Ryanair and the landing was horrible.
Yes, I had
Let's see how I landed it.
I think their company is okay, but the landings are not so. Aer Lingus.
Oh my god, what a weight.
It was
a nice landing.
Nice landing, even if it
bounced, but
even if you touch the plane.
It is a pretty good landing.
Alright.
And flight. Now, wait, let's see how many planes we have.
We have another 4 planes. I will land 2 and he will land the most. Alright, we've got this Turkish Airlines cargo.
Oh no, it's so hard.
Yes.
For me.
It's a bigger plane. I don't know how am I going to deal with it, but let's make the flaps at max. Open it and let's make the throw like here, and after that let's try the short final, right?
Like that. Wait.
Alright, the airplanes
pretty good for
this type of the airplane. Oh, we're going.
Okay, let's see how.
We're
okay,
going.
a good approach. A pretty good approach. Wow, what a smooth landing. I think. Oh my god.
Whoa. Whoa. What happened over here? Let's repeat that again.
Try again. This is Edwin's landing.
Don't think I made all the landings like that, but this landing was, I don't think it was a good calibration. Alright, we landed. Alright, there is a problem with the calibration. We can't calibrate it pretty well, so let's do a calibration and after that let's try a short final. We have some problems, I don't know why, but there are some problems in the controls, surely in the controls, because there's not our fault that the plane does like that, reacts like that. We're very sorry. Right? Oh,
Good landing.
nice landing.
Very good landing.
Let's see if we can stop it before
Yeah,
getting off the runway. Yes, we can stop it.
Let's see how Edwin landed at this plane.
You see, this difficult plane. I hate this plane.
I think the photos,
The calibration
the
system.
cargo Turkish carries.
Yes, I think there are so much kilograms. There are 161,848 kilos. That's pretty much. All right, let's see how I landed. Are you kidding me? That was a nice one.
Pretty good landing.
Yes, for this type of a plane.
Yep. The next one. Let's go.
Let's see the next one. Right, A330. It's the same type of
And
plane.
now I have the biggest plane in this
And the
game.
hardest planes to land.
No, I'm pretty good at.
Airbus A380. I don't believe it. Let's see how you're going to get, and then we'll. All right,
With
so
this type of plane, I land the best.
I land. It's pretty nice one. You see.
Okay, nice approach or not? Not.
All right,
Oh my
you
God.
see. We've get it off the runway.
Calibrate it again.
We need to calibrate it, and let's do it again. All right.
Touchdown. What a smooth landing. Touchdown.
Oh, nice.
Nice landing. Stop. Now stop the plane.
I keep the front gears pretty much in the air, but that's not problem. That's how the smooth landings were working. So we're going to watch how did we land it. Let's watch from outside. You
Probably
see.
the next week, after 2 weeks, we'll go at plane spotting
Yes.
at the Ottopan International Airport.
Right. It was a
Arizona.
nice landing.
Yep.
Nice landing so
now
far.
my turn.
All right. Let's see. It stopped. All right. Your turn. Let's see.
A340.
A340. This has four
Oh my
engines.
God. It's like a 787 but with 4 engines. Let's see now. Calibration. No. Calibration. Like this.
And let's
Short final. Oh my God. So hard.
keeping the controls are hard, but don't panicate. You don't need to get up. You don't need to get down so fast. Try land slower. Right, slowly, slowly, slowly.
Oh,
Nice landing.
Nice
The
landing.
Thrust. Don't the thrust. And
brakes, rod.
And let's see, what was that? I think it was a nice landing.
Okay, the plane stopped. Right.
Alright, if you want
Now,
a giveaway,
let's see.
you gotta be 100,000 subscribers. We want a lot of subscribers.
We'll give away 2 planes.
Yes.
Let's see. Oh my God.
The winner will choose which
Oh
plane
wait,
he wants. Right.
What a smooth landing! What a smooth landing!
It was very nice landing.
Pretty good.
Now it's coming the boss, A380.
No.
Yes.
A380 from Emirates.
Oh.
Oh no. Calibrate. No.
Calibrate, and now let's land.
Short final.
Oh no.
Wait. Good. It's not so good.
Oh, it is. It is. It is good. Don't forget.
Oh.
Fast burger.
Oh my god.
It was a-
bounced.
It was.
But it's a pretty good
fast.
landing, I think.
It was a pretty fast landing, but it was okay. All right.
The plane stop.
Deactivate the spoilers and the
No.
flaps. Now let's watch the replay. Yes, of course.
What a beautiful plane.
It's the biggest plane in the world. Right?
A little bit
That wasn't a bad landing at all.
bouncing, but
Yes, it was pretty
overall
great.
a pretty good landing.
All right, guys.
This was our episode.
Our episode ends
Our
here,
challenge, and here. Leave a like.
and don't
If you-
forget
if
to
you want-
subscribe.
If you want more Infinity Flight challenges. Bye.